Nestled in the breathtaking landscapes, the eastern Himalayan region is not just a visual spectacle but a crucial ecological hotspot regulating global climate. Facing adversities like changing weather patterns, receding glaciers, and biodiversity loss, urgent climate action is imperative. Agroforestry practices rooted in sustainable farming offer solutions, enhancing soil fertility, sequestering carbon, and mitigating erratic weather impacts. Community-driven biodiversity efforts are pivotal for preserving ecosystems. Collaboration between educational institutions, NGOs, and government bodies can integrate climate subjects into curriculums and drive awareness campaigns. Urban centers can support rural initiatives with financial aid, technology transfer, and market access. Collaborative alliances between youth and rural communities can create a potent force for climate change mitigation. Join us at the Eastern Himalayan Naturonomics Forum 2023 to unveil the infinite synergies between youth and communities to create a sustainable world where nature and communities are both thriving.